Along the equator, off the coast of Ecuador, can be found an archipelago unlike anything you've seen before. Formed from volcanic lava, the Galapagos Islands hold unique landscapes and animals found nowhere else on Earth. Originally a hub for pirates and whalers, the Galapagos Islands were made famous by the research of Charles Darwin, who was inspired by the islands to create his theory of natural selection and the evolution of species.
It has always been a dream of ours to experience these magical islands for ourselves, but it comes at a cost. After almost 6 months of traveling the other worlds of Ecuador, we decided to book last-minute flights to spend 2 weeks in the Galapagos Islands. Here's why this is one of the best decisions we could have ever made. We decided to take some time for ourselves here in the Galapagos, so we spent the last week on Santa Cruz Island and San Cristobal Island.
We had a really nice time traveling the islands independently and just taking some time for ourselves, and we got to see a lot of different animals just lazing around the streets and the beaches, and it was a really nice time for us just to relax.
We're going to be sharing a lot of tips and tricks in our Buy Me a Coffee membership, so make sure you sign up for that. This month is just going to be full of advice for how to travel the Galapagos Islands independently, things we're not sharing in these videos.
And though that is very exciting, what we are most excited for is what we're doing next. We're going on a cruise!
We're going to be spending 8 days on the Cormorant with Royal Galapagos, and we could not be more excited for it.
We're on the cruise, sir!
What? How is this real? I'm so excited.
That's where our shoes go.
Yeah. You know it's a fancy boat when you have to take your shoes off. All right, let's see our room.
Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. This is nice.
Look at this place. King size bed. Look at this balcony. Wow. It's magical.
Look at this bathroom, sir.
Whoa, what? This is the nicest bathroom ever. Wow.
That's gonna be nice.
You're gonna spend a lot of time here?
I'm gonna spend a proper amount of time in here, but I'm gonna really enjoy the view every time.
Shut the front door. We have ropes. I've never been in a place before where they give you ropes. I'm so excited. I'm never gonna leave this room.
So even though it's day 1 on our tour, we're already on our first adventure to El Chato.
It's a tortoise breeding ground, and there are just these gigantic tortoises everywhere. Look at this guy right here.
Just walked right past us.
He's our little friend.
These guys are freaking dinosaurs. It's insane.
Their life expectancy is 150 years. So it's estimated all these big ones are like over 100 years, which is insane.
Yeah.
They're so cool. This is so amazing. This is already so fancy and so nice.
I can't believe we get to do this for 8 days.
Me neither.
It's incredible.
So awesome. And we have a packed full itinerary, so get ready to see the best of the Galapagos Islands.
part about going on a smaller cruise like this is that you can actually get kind of close to the action on the islands. And we just took a short panga boat, like our Zodiac, to watch all these different animals catch their breakfast. Behind me you can see there's a whole colony of blue-footed boobies. So along with the boat rides that we get to do every morning, we also get to do snorkeling.
At least once, sometimes twice a day, which is so awesome. So we're suited up.
Got our own wetsuits. The water's pretty cold here, especially on the west side of the islands, and around this time of year, around like August, September, it's pretty cold.
But our guide promised us that today we're supposed to see 3 sea turtles per person on boat, so let's hope he's right. So cold, but it was awesome.
Yeah, there's so many sea turtles. You said you saw like 7 in one spot.
Yeah, at one time there was definitely like 7 feeding on the kelp or whatever. It was so cool, just amazing.
Yeah, so incredible. So snorkeling number 1, excellent.
On a nice sunny day like today, we get to have lunch on the patio. What do we got here? Ooh. Octopus, tuna, chicken, pork. Wow, we got everything today. Rice, plantains, corn, beans, salad, other salad, and quite the view. So we just made it to Isabela Island and we're here at Volcan Sierra Negra and we're gonna hike to the top of this giant crater and hopefully the view's clear so we get to see it.
Vámonos. Listo para caminar.
Can you do that again with your legs? Wow. You're amazing. I want to be like you when I grow up. What do we got?
This is crazy.
Whoa! This could not have worked out any better for us. Wow. Look at this.
So this is Sierra Negra. This is the second biggest volcanic crater in the world. That's the biggest one is in Africa, which is 42 kilometers, and this one is 22 kilometers wide, which is insane. So this is actually an active volcano, and it erupts about every 5 years, and the last eruption was in 2015. So they're actually due for an eruption to happen on the Galapagos very soon. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen today, but this is so beautiful and I'm so glad we were able to come here today and that it's actually sunny. And what's actually very cool is that there is all this cloud cover that's coming up from the east side over the mountain and into the crater, and it's gorgeous. Very happy that we got to do this today. We've been having such a great time. Today has been so action-packed. We've done so many things.
It's been so amazing. But honestly, every day here has been so wonderful. We chose to come on the Cormorant with Royal Galapagos for 3 particular reasons. Number 1, the boat is just absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see around us right now. We're on the Sundeck. It is mind-blowingly beautiful. Our room is amazing. We have our own balcony. Every area of this boat is just so beautiful.
Reason number 2 was the itinerary. So we really wanted to see the Western Galapagos. We had heard it's a really great place to visit. So when we heard that the Cormorant was coming on the West Galapagos tour, we were thrilled. So the great thing is that it goes around Isabela Island, through Isla Fernandina, and then up through the different central islands as well. And it's just incredible.
And the third reason we chose to come on this cruise was because it's only a 16-passenger cruise, which to us is the ideal cruise when you're doing the Galapagos because it's really intimate. You have a lot of one-on-one time with your guide if you want to ask questions, and just has this like family feel. Like every meal we eat all together, and the crew has been so awesome. So it's just been such a nice, like relaxed environment when you are with these people for 8 days straight. So
totally.
We love that.
Yeah.
So if you're coming to the Galapagos, recommend coming on the Cormorant. It's just been so awesome.
Yeah, and we also just want to say thanks to Royal Galapagos as well. So, it's been great.